Yellow. I have to quit. To my channel. It's Tia. I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. I do bonus uploads, surprise, subscriber requests. So if you're a subscriber, you can request. So you should subscribe. I'm going to put it on the channel. I'm going to put it right here. Subscribe. Or it could be right here too. Subscribe. Anywho, back to business. We are here for a wig review. Okay. I've actually had this one for a while, and she was on the wig head. I have like a jillion wig heads over here for wigs that are set up and ready to review, and I don't know what happened because she ended up back in the box. But today she's out of the box because, listen, Miss Tiara needs to come out of the box. So I have Sensational's Tiara. These lights, I mean, they're good, but come on. They wash stuff out. So this is part of their Empress Lace Wig collection. Lace front edge, natural parting from edge to crown, hand tied deep center part. Miss Tiara is heat safe from 350 degrees to 400, and I have her in the color T1B / matte lavender. So it's a 1B root, and then this matte lavender color, which when you see it, it's awesome. And Scooby Dooby Dooby, I scooped her up from Elevate Styles for $20.99. That's all I have to say about her, so let's get her. This is Miss Tiara. Look at that beautiful, beautiful matte lavender color. This is the parting on her. That's that 1B root. Hello? Oh, hi, baby kitty. My kitty just came in. And 2 combs in the front, lace edging, lace parting, comb in the back, adjustable straps. You think like I don't do this practically every day, but who knows? So let's just get her on. This is easy peasy lemon squeezy, theoretically. So let's get her on, and then we'll see what we're talking about. Sure. Oh my gosh, so adorable. She does seem to have, is that baby hairs or just crazy hairs? I shouldn't make like rhymes when my wig is off. Like, it's not in the right place and I'm making rhymes. It just makes me look so crazy. I'm losing it. Okay, I don't know that those are actual, maybe they are. There's a little bit of baby hairs. They're slightly long. She wants to be, oh, it's ear to ear lace, so there's not actual like ear tabs, so you could shift her quite easily. So this is her in the middle. Oh, hey, little angled situation. Density is pretty good. She is silkier, and she's a matte color, but I do feel like I might put some dry shampoo in her more to get it dirtied up so that it doesn't tangle, as opposed to taking the shine down. This is her slightly left, and then this is her slightly right. You could do that. It does like change the angle, but if you did like a tuck behind the ear. I'm just gonna do her up in the middle. Wig cap is pretty standard. I wouldn't say it's a large wig cap. I wouldn't say it's overly small, but I feel like if you were looking for a smaller wig cap, it could work for you because I don't really have it adjusted in that much, and it's pretty snug on me. So I feel like it could work for you if you are requiring a smaller wig cap. Depends on what size your dome is. Okay, that's totally aging me, but whatever. All right, let me get this chick together and then I'll be right back because it's going to take little to nothing. that was lickety split. She's definitely a silkier texture. She's not yucky. I don't think at this length she will tangle too much, but you're gonna want to keep an eye on that and maybe put some styling cream or hairspray in her, what have you. You could do baby hairs. My hair's a little bit too light right now to be doing baby hairs, so that's why I kind of just shifted it over just a little bit. And then I can do sort of like a sweep over, like one of these situations. There are these little baby hairs. I'm not sure I'm feeling about them. In the silky texture, it just becomes problematic sometimes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Finishing Paste, and then I'm just going to put it sort of on my fingers like this, and then just do like a little stitch like this, just to sort of marry these together. Yeah, and then down the front. It could get a little staticky. A trick for that is just to warm your hands up and then run it along your hair. So if you warm your hands up and then you can just do this, it'll get rid of some static for you. She's so cute. She is comfortable. The wig cap is a little bit on the smaller side. That's something to keep in mind. I feel like a lot of wig caps run big, but very few run super small, so I don't have a problem with that. Let's look at her from the back. All right. A lot of times I have issue with wigs this length because I feel like they sit funny on my neck, but this one isn't too bad. Density is super nice. Let's look at the movement. Movement feels good. I think this is a great color if you want to kind of do color but you don't want to get too crazed. I definitely think this is a great wig color. I'm feeling this. I don't know what you guys think. This sensational line, this Empress lace wig line, I love this. Some of my favorite wigs are in this line. Tasha is in this line, and there's a few others. You can look at my sensational playlist. A lot of them are from this line, and I love them. I feel like I just did sensationals, maybe like Miriam or something. I'm not sure. So many wigs, so little time. Anyway, just check out the playlist and my upcoming videos because, you know, I pre-film, so who knows when stuff's going up. But I think this is like super cute. I think this is great summer hair, great, you know, work hair where you're getting a little, you know, interesting but not too crazy. I like her so far. For sure. What do you think? Does anybody have this wig? Do you have another color? Do you suggest another color? I have to quit playing with her though. I have to quit playing with her as I keep playing with her. I feel like if I did like one of these like clip situations or even braided, maybe I'll just get crazy right now and braid it and see what happens. Or let's do a twist. Like, see, just like that. Oh, yeah. Especially with my little peasant shirt. Yeah, I don't have time for that, but that's something I might do a little bit later. I might wear her out. We'll see. And if I remember, I'll take pictures and potential video. I've been trying to, like, take natural light video, so if I do, I'll include it. But, you know, I have ADHD, so by the time I walk out of here and just to my car, I'll forget. But I have been remembering, so you'll see them in some of the videos, maybe not all. Sometimes though, it's a good idea to check out my Instagram because I do put videos of different videos on my Instagram, videos of different wigs, and most of the time, if they're not just like a promotional, you know, show and tell type of video, there's something I took outside or pictures I took outside. So that would be a good place to go if you want to see more natural light pictures. So yeah, I'm really liking Tiara, so I'm literally leaving after I turn this camera off, so I'm hoping that I remember to take outside pictures. Take outside pictures. Take pictures outside. Outside video. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. If there's a wig you want me to review, just put it down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Yes, I will. Okay, bye.